3639?
Yeah.
Recording the sewer line 3639 Magnolia Boulevard. We are now recording from the inside clean out of the home. What we're looking at is where this line joins the neighboring line out, looks like about 60 feet from where we're at right now. I've zeroed out the footage. This is about halfway out in the backyard, about 4 feet deep, kind of in the flower bed area. We're going to come back from there into a 4-inch diameter concrete sewer line that is owned solely by 3639. So this is 4-inch diameter concrete sewer with a seam about every 2 feet. So far it doesn't look too bad. There's a little root coming in there. And this is where we transition back to the ABS piping that exits the house. So I'm going to locate this second spot here. And then I'll get a good idea of exactly where this thing's going. I'll pause the video and locate. Okay, and then we're looking at what do we got here? That's that spot I located. That's kind of out under the brick where this line makes its initial turn. Oh, I'm just talking to the camera here. Then we come back into the house at this point. So, coming back into that ABS under the foundation now. There's about a 30-foot run or so of this until we get out to the bricks out there.